The KitchenAid K400 Artisan Blender. This blender has a three-part working system. The first one is the asymmetrical blade. Then the second one is the ribbed jar. It's ribbed on all sides, which helps fold back in the ingredients. And then it's fitted with a 1.5 peak horsepower motor, which senses the content and maintains optimal speed. Down here is the knob here. It has 1 to 5 speed setting, so you just turn the knob depending on which setting you want. And then there's these other 4 here, which are already pre-programmed for ice crushing, icy drinks. There's the smoothie, and this is the self-cleaning function. On this other side, there's the pulse here. This is the start and the stop button. Then for cleaning, you fill half the jar with warm soapy water. Then you you turn the knob to the self-cleaning part. Once the cycle ends, just wipe it and rinse it first, then dry it. For the base, just use a damp cloth to wipe it.